Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
Skaters usually spin in one direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise on one foot. We'll show you how to spin anti-clockwise. For a clockwise spin, simply reverse the moves. This is the most important spin, as once you've mastered it, other spins become possible. To be able to do this spin, first master the 2-foot spin. And you'll need to know how to do a 3-turn.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Do an outside 3-turn, so you're skating backwards on the inside edge of your right skate. Step 2. Balance, making sure your weight is in the front of your boot, and slowly bring the extended leg towards the spinning leg. Step 3. Spin on the ball of your foot, keeping your body rigid. Step 4. Bring both arms into your body. Step 5. Return your foot to the ice to stop.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Keep your head up and shoulders and hips level while spinning. Don't lose tension in your body.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Do an outside 3-turn. Slowly bring your leg in. Spin on the ball of your foot. Bring both arms into your body. Keep your body rigid.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.